Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get a raccoon in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. The raccoon is a divine tier pet introduced during the Lunar Glow Night Egg event. Every 15 minutes, it duplicates a random fruit from another player's garden and gives it to you, without taking anything from them. To get a raccoon, you need to hatch night eggs, which are free during the event. You earn night eggs by collecting moonlit fruits at night and trading them with the wise owl for lunar points. For every 70 lunar points, you receive 2 night eggs, with a maximum of 13 eggs in total. The standard night egg has a 0.1 to 0.12% chance of hatching a raccoon. Exotic and premium night eggs offer a higher 1% chance. You can also buy premium night eggs using Robux, 1 egg for 199, 3 for 575, or 10 for 1,700. Each egg takes 30 seconds to hatch. For the best odds, collect as many lunar points as possible to earn more free night eggs. If you plan to spend Robux, go for the 10-egg bundle for better value. So that's basically how you can get a raccoon in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.